Well, this is the beginning of the garden. That's where the garlic and onions are. Let's walk over here and see what Lee's building.
That's it. I ain't going no more this year. Along the backside of both of these, plant green beans in one, peas in the other, and I've got some tea posts I'm going to put down to use that chicken wire when we grow up.
Okay, what you doing? Explain what you're doing.
I'm transplanting them from the pellets to pots. Hopefully they'll recover the transplant and live. Let's see. Heirloom tomato called the mortgage lifter. See, they're already blooming, getting ready to put on tomatoes.
And there's Sammy.
That's our cat. These are eggplants, the Ichiban. Japanese variety.
Can't wait till they come up. Have to tell which ones are male and female and which ones are going to have the most seeds when they come up. Ooh, I can smell something. Oh, I'm sorry, Sammy. Okay, you start wrapping around my little legs. Ooh, these are huge. What the heck? These are like in a week, just got monstrous.
Yeah, they're huge. I mean, look at the stems on these things.
Well, I hope huge means a lot of tomatoes.
Well, these are the aromas.
No, I hope so. I mean, we hadn't had a whole lot of luck the last 3 years. Ooh, there's some flowers right there.
Yeah, they're blooming all over.
See the flowers right there?
Yeah, there's blooms all over. Here. Every plant's blooming right now.
Yeah.
Getting ready to. Well, these are a bush type. These probably just get away with the stake. These may not be high enough. We may have to put taller ones in. But they only grow about 3 foot or so, maybe a little higher. Lastly, we got these are Anaheims, which is a mildly hot pepper. They're not real overly hot. Looks like they're going to be putting on some bloom before too long. There's some starting already here. Yep, all over. These are getting ready to start fruit. See them?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's like a little bud in there.
Yeah, they're going to be blooming here before too long.
That little stick and those clothespins work great, don't they?
Yeah, I didn't quite do that right.
What do you mean?
The rope should have been on the same side, that way it crisscrosses on the end. It's not crisscrossing. I just need to untie it and bring it over to the other side. Not that big a deal. You never know.
So which tomatoes are those?
These are the Better Boy hybrids. And I'm trying to use what's called the Florida weave. It's in place of a trellis. It seems like it's going to work pretty good.
What's next to it? Go on down the row.
They're bell peppers, California Wonders. It's a standard variety. Looks like they're getting ready to start putting some blooms on it. Pop down, that's on my next list of things to do.
What is that?
That's what?
The one on the far left. Is that a flower?
Here?
Yeah?
Yeah, that was a flower. It was hanging up there and it was blooming the other day.
And that's the aloe vera, and the other two are mints. What's in the middle of the mints?
Weed. No, it is. It's clover. It's a clover, but it's a weed.
No, the pot in front of the aloe vera between the mints. What is it?
It's a flower.
Oh, yeah.
That one's got yellow flowers on it. This one's got red flowers. It's almost the same plant. I think they are the same type of plant.
Well, the aloe vera, I heard you can put it here in Florida in the ground, and it'll turn as big as your house, like a cactus, so we need to transplant it.
Yeah, it needs to.
You see the water? Sammy, stay away from the blueberries.
Well, I like blueberries. They're good.
Oh my goodness. I have blueberries. Look at those.
Some more there. Some of them are dying and drying up.
I can't believe it with one plant. Should we pull up some of those garlics and onions and see if we got any?
Garlic ain't gonna be, there's nothing gonna be on the garlic. Got some okra up front. Some yellow straight neck squash in the middle. And those are Kentucky Wonder green beans in the back.
Well, I can't wait till they pop up.
Marigolds popping up.
Oh yeah, to keep the critters out. Oh yeah, there's the marigolds.
Although I didn't check if it was okay to plant them next to beans now, but it is.
Well, they're stinky. They'll keep the critters away. See some marigolds here too.
Yeah. This is zucchini squash and then black-eyed peas.
Nice, honey.